I don't really know who has definitively paid for like engagement because no one likes to come forward about that. It's like which celebrity got a nose job. It's always obvious, but like no one ever says. I've definitely seen a greater pattern of people buying out engagement on Instagram because it's a bit more obvious there. But also on TikTok, and I just remembered in the past week or so, I've been seeing more and more sponsored content on there that isn't commercials. And that's the same pattern that I noticed on Instagram in the beginning of the year. So I think I don't know. We're going to kind of see about this because, again, this is just like a small scale example of these patterns that are unfolding that we don't know, like the other side of.
And unfortunately, we have to wait it out with that pattern. We have to see 6 months, 1 year. At some point, there will be a big creator, or whether they're famous or they're a person who started from nothing and got up to a large amount, they're going to come out and they're going to say that this is my experience. And if I can't even push through, how can the smaller creators expect to? And the thing is, like, you do have a decently sized following and you have good content, so people are always going to flock to what you do. But as I have already mentioned, at a certain point, even if you're not putting money into the platform, everyone is going to have to put money into whatever their passion is in order to burst through. It's just the nature of the arts. When you mix arts with commerce, you have to look at it from a business side. And if you're solely business, you know that you're investing in your business throughout the entire journey. So with arts, unfortunately for us, the most expensive currency is time. And time is something you have to invest in a lot in the beginning. But then when you have to start putting in money at a certain point, you want to see a return because artists don't make a lot of money in the beginning. And we spend so much of our time, we want our art to be seen by others. But you see how cyclical it is? It's ridiculous.
Like everything I've noticed in regards to like how humans interact with each other and how humans interact with like anything is just cyclical. It's just patterns upon patterns upon patterns. And this is just this really good quote that stays with me. Um, those who do not study history are doomed to repeat it. And I've been searching to see if there are any previous patterns that show me what could happen, with this. But, unfortunately, there aren't really many methods of comparison with what's happening now. So I guess, we're just going to have to keep posted. My account's funk definitely is not as bad as it was in the beginning of this year. I think this is ever since September, my views have been returning to normal on TikTok, which is really cool. And I enjoy that a lot and I hope it continues. There's just lots of troublesome aspects about that app. However, it is just nice to make fun little videos. Like what keeps me on that app is I enjoy I don't know. I like funny lip syncing and like acting all silly.
Me too, don't worry.
Yeah, it's like it's the sillies. I gotta flex my funny bone, that's what keeps me on TikTok.